Welcome students, I am Dr. Maria Siniola Fernandez, Assistant Professor in Botany, St. Joseph Vaz College, Kortalim, Goa. Welcome to the program Bachelor of Science, 3rd year, Subject Botany, Semester 5, Course Code BOC 105, Course Title, Classical Taxonomy and Phylogeny. Title of the unit is Systematic Position, Bentham and Hooker's Classification, Diagnostic Features and Important Ornamental, Economical, Medicinal species of the following families. We will study today the family Myrtaceae. In this module, we will study the classification of the family Myrtaceae, the diagnostic features of the family Myrtaceae, important ornamental or economical and medicinal plants of family Myrtaceae. At the end of the module, you will be able to explain the systematic position of family Myrtaceae. You will be able to identify the plants belonging to family Myrtaceae. You will be able to describe the diagnostic features of family Myrtaceae, and you will be able to list some of the plants of ornamental or economical or medicinal species of the family Myrtaceae. We begin with the classification first. The systematic classification of family Myrtaceae, division Phanerogames, class Dicotyledons, subclass Polypetalae, series Calciflorae, order Myrtales and family Myrtaceae. The diagnostic features of family Myrtaceae are leaves aromatic, they are gland-dotted, they exstipulate, venation is inframarginal. Flowers are hermaphrodite, they are actinomorphic, epigynous and stamens are indefinite. Carpels are 2 to 5 or they are several. They are united to form an inferior or semi-inferior ovary, axile placentation, or sometimes they are showing parietal placentation. Fruit is a capsule, drupe or berry. Vegetative features, habit, they are mostly trees or shrubs. Root is taproot and branch. Leaves are simple, entire, exstipulate. Shortly petiolate, they are mostly opposite. In this picture, you can see Cerium guavaja showing the simple, entire, exstipulate and shortly petiolate leaves, and they are opposite. In this picture, you can see eucalyptus leaves, they are showing alternate leaves, okay, and the leaves are showing oil glands. The reproductive features of family Myrtaceae, coming to the inflorescence, it shows raceme, spike, cymose, panicle, or sometimes the flowers can be solitary. In this picture, you can see the Barringtonia acutangula showing the raceme inflorescence. This is the simple raceme. In this picture, you can see the Callistemon lanceolatus showing the spike inflorescence. In case of the flowers like of Myrtus and Pseudium, you can see the flowers are solitary. Bracteate flowers, they are complete, they are hermaphrodite meaning bisexual, they are actinomorphic and they are usually epigynous in case of Myrtus and Pseudium. Sometimes they are perigynous also. Floral features, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. These are the 4 floral whorls of a flower. You can see here the TS of Callistemon lanceolatus flower. It shows the calyx tube. They show petals, anthers and stigma. You can see here the inferior ovary. Calyx are mostly 4 or 5 sepals. They are connate at base, united with receptacular cup to form a hypanthium. Lobes are free, they are quincuntial and sometimes they show valvate estivation. Corolla is 4 or 5 petals. Usually they are free. Estivation is imbricate and often quincuntial. They are connate to form an aperculum in case of eucalyptus. Petals in eucalyptus, they fall off quickly to expose the stamens. Such type of petals, they are known as caducous petals, meaning they fall off quickly. Androecium, they are showing the indefinite stamens, meaning we cannot count the number of stamens. They all are free, they are slightly connate at base and they are arranged in several whorls. Anthers are dithecous. In Callistemon, the filaments, they show scarlet red color and forms a brush-like structure. That's why we say this Callistemon as bottle brush. Stamens in Melaleuca, they are polyadelphous. They form numerous bundles Okay, and these bundles, they are equal to the number of petals. Gynoecium is mostly 2 or 5, or they can be several carpels. They are united to form an inferior or semi-inferior ovary, and placentation is axile, and sometimes they show parietal placentation. Coming to the fruit, it shows capsule, drupe or berry. In case of eucalyptus, you can see here it shows a capsule type of fruit. In case of syzygium, we have seen here it shows a drupe kind of fruit. This is Pseudium guavaja. It shows a berry type of fruit. Coming to the floral formula, the flowers are bracteate. They are actinomorphic. They are bisexual. Calyx is 5. Corolla is 5. Androecium is indefinite. Gynoecium is syncarpous. It is having 2 to 5 carpels and it is a inferior ovary. In the same, the floral diagram, you can see the flowers, they are bracteate, okay, they are actinomorphic, they are bisexual, calyx are 5, corolla is 5, androecium is indefinite. You can see in this case, the floral diagram of Callistemon lanceolatus, it is showing a inferior type of ovary, okay. Plants of family Myrtaceae. Distribution 144 genera and about 3000 species. They are widely distributed in the tropical regions. In India, it is represented by many genera. Example, Callistemon, Eugenia, Eucalyptus, Pseudium and Syzygium. Okay, this plant is of Callistemon lanceolatus. You can see here the scarlet red stamens, okay, and it gives this type of spike inflorescence showing the and it is commonly known as the bottle brush plant. This is Eugenia kendolliana plant. This is Eucalyptus teriticornis. This is Pseudium guavaja, Syzygium samarangiens. Coming to the important ornamental or economical medicinal species of family Myrtaceae. Okay, Callistemon citrinus. This is also known as bottle brush. Okay, there is one more species, Callistemon lanceolatus. It is also known as a bottle brush plant. This is commonly grown in the gardens for their ornamental value. Okay, you can see here, this is Callistemon citrinus. Okay, they are ornamental plants. Myrtus communis, which is also known as myrtle, it is grown for their ornamental value in the gardens. These are the flowers of Myrtus communis, beautiful white color flowers, and that's why they are grown in the gardens for their ornamental value. Syzygium aromaticum, which is also known as the clove, okay, they are edible, they are spice plants. From the clove, they extract the clove oil and it is used in the toothaches. Okay, this is Syzygium aromaticum, also known as commonly clove. This is Pseudium guavaja, okay, guava or peru we say in Konkani. This is edible fruit, okay. Eucalyptus globulus, which is also known as the Nilgiri oil, it is medicinally important eucalyptus oil that is extracted from the leaves, okay. The leaves are showing this oil glands. You can see here. This is commonly known as Nilgiri oil. This is nothing but Eucalyptus globulus. Then Melaleuca leucadendron, which is known as the cage pot tree oil. It yields a cajaput oil and it is used in laryngitis and bronchitis. Okay, you can see here Melaleuca leucadendron. These are the references. Thank you.